Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about ENJIN coin. What's the price change goes in ENJIN coin, what's the current condition of ENJIN coin in cryptocurrencies markets, and we are also about the bad crash occurs in the yesterday in ENJIN coin. We are talking about this. So in my previous videos I also told you ENJIN coin holders that please don't sell it at this time. It's a not suitable time to sell ENJIN coin, friends. But a lot of people ignore my words and they sell it. As you can see here now, the current situation of ENJIN coin goes very better at this time, friends. As you can see here, if you look the change occur in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day, as you can see here, they goes very highly, friends. That's mean that they goes very highly. So if you don't sell it in this ENJIN coin yesterday, so now you are in the profit at this time, friends. But unfortunately, some friends sell ENJIN coin at this time, friends. So I'm very sad to see that after that you sell ENJIN coin. I also make a video for all of you that don't sell it at this time. It's a temporary phase of every cryptocurrencies. Yesterday every cryptocurrencies falls down for approximately 10 hours. Every cryptocurrencies falls down, friends, and now again they start jumping upward, friends. So anyways, let's start the video. Let's see the currently price prediction, what's the change goes at this time, and what's the next move occurs in the ENJIN coin. In this video I will say you, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so friends, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now friends, as you can see here, now at this time, as you can see, a very bad fast occur in a previous day yesterday. So a lot of people, I also said you, all of you, that please don't send it at this time. It's a temporary fast of ENJIN coin. As I told you, same like that occurs in the ENJIN coin in the future. As you can see here, now at this time a very high jumps occur in the ENJIN coin and the price become 2.21 USD dollar is the price of ENJIN coin, friends. And same like that, the currently price change, you also can see it, positive 5.2% change occur in the ENJIN coin, and now they are also go straight like a moon. So they are ready to goes to moon, friends. So now if you send it, so best decision for all of you at this time is that if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies markets, so absolutely ENJIN coin are not suitable for its time to invest in ENJIN coin, friends. If you want to invest, so SafeMoon, PandaDAO and Dogecoin is best for investment at this time, because the price of Dogecoin, SafeMoon, PandaDAO is low. That is why my suggestion for all of you that invest in these coins. Don't invest again in ENJIN coin because the price of ENJIN coin are very high, friends. And if you are a holder of ENJIN coin, so it's absolutely good news for all of you. Please hold it. A big jump, it's just the beginning of ENJIN coin. The big jump, the big explosion of the ENJIN coin are coming soon, so please wait for it and enjoy your time. Congratulations to all ENJIN coin holders. Now you are in the moon, friends. So hope this video helpful for you. The next move of ENJIN coin is also to take a jump in the future, friends. So don't do this mistake again. Don't sell it at this time, friends. And if you need money, so absolutely it's the best decision for all of you that please sell it at this time. If you want to make money, a good profit, so please hold it with the last of this month, and the last of this month they will give you a good amount of profit, friends. So hope this video helpful for you. Please share your opinion in the comment box. What's your opinion about ENJIN coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.